and welcome to today's tip. Now we're going to make a really simple but cute little bow for your cards. Now I've used double-sided paper just because I think it's more authentic to how maybe a ribbon would look with a bow. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut out, now you might want to draw yours out, it's up to you, sort of some egg-shaped circles first. I am just going to double up mine. I probably could have doubled up the card in the first place, but I didn't, so I'm just going to cut around the first one just to make them like the similar size. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut sort of the ribbon part, the leftover part. I'm going to put my ribbon corners in. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make this more of a sort of a triangle in the middle. So it sort of opens up like that. Now by folding it, that's absolutely fine. Don't worry, that part is actually going to be covered up anyway. And then what you can do is you can just sort of cut those into the edges of the bow. And this is the important part of using double-sided cardstock rather than your single side and then seeing the white behind. It wouldn't look as good. And then the final part is just a little loop. So I'm going to glue this all down now, and then I'm going to add my final loop in once it's all glued down. There we go, that holds it all in place. Now if you wanted to, you could even have another bit of card that sort of sits behind it, so you've wrapped it up several times, or you could even have another bit of card that sort of sits as if it was one big present. So I hope you've enjoyed this tip. I look forward to seeing you next time.